Hey there, we're in my backyard and I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about irrigation. Now, irrigation is something that intimidates a lot of people, but it is incredibly necessary in your garden. So there are a few different things that you can do to make your garden a success and get ample water on it over the course of the season. One thing you can use is an impact sprinkler. Now, if you have a flat area, an impact sprinkler is the way to go. It may not work as well on raised beds because the bed itself will block whatever's behind it, and so the impact sprinkler won't be able to reach that area. However, if you're growing in ground or in your lawn, this is a great way to go. Another thing that you can use is just a simple sprinkler like this guy here. Now this guy kind of delivers water like rain. It's very gentle. I prefer to use drip systems, both soaker hose and emitters. Soaker hose is really nice because it can be made into different shapes so you can work it through an existing bed, and it delivers water down its entire length. So you can use it on seeded crops or established crops. Emitters are nice because they deliver water directly to where you want it. And you can either see them, they're either little tiny drippers that come off the line, or they're actually holes that are directly put into the line itself. They're great for things like cabbage, broccoli, stuff that you want water to flow right at. No matter what system you choose, I definitely recommend getting a timer. A timer is essential to getting enough water on your garden all year round. Having an easy and efficient watering system in your garden will make your life so much easier.